नमस्कार हजुरहरुलाई अनलाइन क्लासमा स्वागत छ। My name is Madar Bandari from Vishwajyoti. Today I am going to teach Science Unit 1 Measurement. Already discussed in this topics or unit in previous class. Today also remaining topics and remaining topic discussed measurement of length. Previous class we discussed about the units, fundamental quantity, derived quantity, system of measurement. Today I am going to discuss about the measurement of length. Measurement of length. What is length? The distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points is called length. The distance between 2 points is called length. Its SI unit is meter and CGS unit is centimeter. CGS unit is centimeter. It is fundamental quantity. It is fundamental quantity. It does not depend upon other quantity and it have own identity. It have own identity. There are different units. Some are bigger unit, some are smaller unit. Some are multiples unit, some are sub-multiples of unit. What do you mean by multiples of meter? Those unit which are bigger than the meter is known as multiples of meter. Is known as multiples of meter. Example of multiples of meter are kilometer, astronomical unit, light year, parsec. That are the example of multiples of meter. Example of multiples of meter. Some are smaller units. Some are smaller. They are called sub multiples of meter. Those units which are smaller than the meter is known as sub multiples of meter. Centimeter, millimeter, micron, nanometer. That is the example of sub multiples of meter. That is the smaller unit than the meter. Smaller unit than the meter is known as sub multiples of meter. Okay. Some are bigger unit, some are smaller unit. Bigger than the meter is known as multiples of meter. Smaller than the meter is known as sub multiples of meter. What do you mean by one standard meter? What do you mean by one standard meter? The distance between two fine gold lines. The distance between two fine gold lines on platinum iridium rod constructed at 0 degrees Celsius temperature and preserved at the International Bureau of France. Preserved of International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France. That is the one standard meter. One standard meter means the distance between two fine gold lines on a platinum iridium rod constructed at 0 degrees Celsius and preserved at the International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France is known as one standard meter or 1 meter. One standard meter or 1 meter. One standard meter. Next, measurement of mass. What is mass? The amount of matter that contained in a body. The amount of matter that contained in a body is known as mass. The amount of matter that contained in a body is known as mass. Its SI unit is kilogram and CGS unit is gram. CGS unit is gram. It is measured by beam balance or pan balance. It is measured by beam balance or pan balance. Mass is measured by beam balance or pan balance. Some are bigger unit, some are smaller unit. What do you mean by multiples of kilogram? Those units which are bigger than the kilogram. Those units which are bigger than the kilogram is known as multiples of kilogram. Quintal, ton. That is the example of multiples of kilogram. Which are bigger than the kilogram. Some are smaller unit, that is known as sub multiples of kilogram. What do you mean by sub multiple of kilogram? Those units which are smaller than the kilogram is known as sub multiple of kilogram. That are the example of sub multiples of kilogram. What do you mean by 1 standard kilogram or 1 kg? The mass of platinum, iridium cylinder of diameter equal to its height, which is preserved at International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France, is known as 1 standard kilogram or 1 kg. The mass of platinum, iridium cylinder of diameter equal to its height, which is preserved at International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France, is known as 1 standard kilogram or 1 kg. 1 standard kilogram or 1 kg. That is known as 1 standard kilogram or 1 kg. Measurement of area and volume. What is area? Total surface occupy a body is known as area. Total surface occupied by a body is known as area. Its SI unit is square meter. Square meter. It is derived quantity. It depends upon other quantity. It does not have its own identity. Is known that. So it is called the derived quantity. How do you find area of regular and irregular body? केही ऑब्जेक्ट को रेगुलर बॉडी र इरेगुलर बॉडी कसरी फाइन्ड गर्छ? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेगुलर एंड इरेगुलर बॉडी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट डू मीन बाय रेगुलर बॉडी और रेगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट? दोज ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच हैव फिक्स्ड ज्योमेट्रिकल shape is known as regular object or regular body. Those objects which have fixed geometrical shape is known as regular body. Irregular means those objects which have not fixed geometrical shape is known as irregular body. Regular means fixed geometrical shape. Irregular means not fixed geometrical shape. How do you find area of regular object? By using mathematical formula. How can you find the area of regular object? By using mathematical formula. Mathematical formula means area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is A equal to L into B, length into breadth, or area of square. A equal to capital A equal to L square. Next, surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere A equal to 4 pi r square. R means radius. Pi value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7 or area of the rectangle. Area of triangle. 1/2 base into height. We can find the area of regular object by using the mathematical formula. How can you find the area of regular object? By using mathematical formula. A equal to L into B, or A equal to L square, A equal to 4 pi r square, or A equal to 1/2 B into L. Area of rectangle equal to L into B. Area of square equal to A equal to L square. Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Area of triangle 1/2 B into base into height. In this mathematical formula using, we can find out the area of regular object. Next, how can you find the area of irregular object, or how do you find area of irregular object? Regular object by using the mathematical formula, irregular object by using the graphical method. By using the graphical method. How can you find the area of irregular object? By using graphical method. By using graphical method. Next, what is volume? What is volume? Total space occupy a body. Total space occupy a body is known as volume. Total space occupy a body is known as volume. Its SI unit is cubic meter. Its SI unit is cubic meter. It also called the derived quantity. It also called the derived quantity. Volume is also called the derived quantity. It depends upon other quantity. It depends upon other quantity. How do you find volume of regular body? Regular means fixed geometrical shape. How do you find the volume of regular body? By using mathematical formula. By using mathematical. How do you find the volume of regular body? By using mathematical formula. Volume of cuboid B equal to L into B into S. B equal to L into B into S. Volume of cube. Volume of a cube B equal to L cube. B equal to L cube means length equal to breadth equal to height. And volume of sphere. Volume of sphere B equal to volume of sphere B equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. And volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square. Yes, pi r square. In this formula, we can find out the volume of regular object. How do you find the volume of regular object? By using mathematical formula. There, volume of cuboid B equal to L into B into S. Volume of cube B equal to L cube. And volume of sphere B equal to 4/3 pi r cube. And volume of cylinder equal to pi r square. Yes, we can find out the volume of regular object. How do you find the volume of irregular object? By using the water displacement method or liquid displacement method. How do you find the volume of irregular object? By using water displacement method or liquid displacement method. We can find out the volume of irregular object. What do you mean by 1 square meter? Again also we can tell. What do you mean by 1 square meter? The distance between two fine gold lines. The distance between two fine gold lines on a platinum. Two fine gold lines of platinum iridium rod constructed at 0 degrees Celsius and preserved at the International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France. Next, what do you mean by 1 standard kilogram? The mass of platinum iridium cylinder of a diameter equal to its height, which is preserved at International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France, that is known as 1 standard kilogram. Thank you this much. र हजुरहरुलाई आजको अनलाइन क्लासको होमवर्क मैले विश्वविद्यालयको फेसबुक वा वेबमा पोस्ट गर्ने छु र त्यो पोस्ट गरेको होमवर्कहरुले हजुरहरुले सल्भ गरेर मलाई मेसेन्जरमा वा विश्वविद्यालयको वेबसाइटमा पोस्ट गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। हस्त, धन्यवाद।